Let me show you how to save your family money by meal prepping. So meal prepping is definitely the way to go in this cost of living crisis that we have. It will save your family money. Here are some of my tips. Buy in bulk. So Aldi, the bigger packs per kilo are cheaper than the smaller packs of the beef and pork mince. If using things like red wine, cheap bottle, it'll do you 3 lasagnas easy. Spices, buy in bulk, buy them from your local Asian shop. If you're gluten-free, you need to be a little bit careful. Ideal things to make for meal prepping. Lasagna is absolutely ideal. It freezes well and it reheats in the microwave well. Chili con carne, curries, all these type of things are ideal. You can freeze rice as well, guys, with your curries, like you see me doing with a butter chicken. So shop around, buy in bulk. Also, when you're following any of my recipes, once you've like a pack of mince, 2 kilo, but once you add tomatoes, onion, you're literally going to be getting 3 to 3.5 kilo of food. So these are the things to look at. Bulk buying.